In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and receive payments through invoices in QuickBooks Online Payments. Managing your invoices and payments efficiently is crucial for keeping your business running smoothly and ensuring you get paid promptly. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, let's create a new invoice. Head over to the top left corner of your QuickBooks interface and click on the New button. From there, you'll want to select Invoice. This will open up a new window where you can start drafting your invoice with all the necessary details for your customer. Once you've completed filling out the invoice details, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the Manage button. Clicking on this will lead you to several managing options. Here, you should select Payment Options Settings. This is a crucial step as it allows you to tailor how customers can pay you, providing them with a streamlined payment experience. Next, you'll see an option labeled Set Up next to the payment options. Click on this to proceed with setting up your desired payment method. Whether you prefer credit card payments, bank transfers, or other methods, QuickBooks Online Payments offers integration with a variety of payment processors. Choose the payment method that best suits your business needs. Select your preferred payment option and follow the prompts to continue with the connection and authentication process. This step typically involves linking your bank account or verifying your details with the payment processor you've selected, ensuring all transactions are secure and correctly routed to your business accounts. Once you've followed through with the connection and authentication, you're all set to receive payments through QuickBooks Payments. You'll find it much easier to manage incoming payments now, as they will seamlessly connect to your invoices, making accounting and management straightforward and automatic. This entire setup helps you avoid unnecessary manual entry and ensures that all payments are recorded accurately. And there you have it. By following these simple yet detailed instructions, you've now enabled payments through QuickBooks Online, making it easier for your customers to pay their invoices and ensuring reliable cash flow for your business. Remember, keeping this system updated and regularly checked will help optimize your financial operations. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your QuickBooks experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Happy invoicing!